Testing the system. Audio seems correct. Video seems correct. And we live. Okay. Welcome to Transcend Money Community. My name is Tony, and in today's video we're gonna analyze the price Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and it's spectacular because just we break the pattern of head and shoulders, and we're gonna see it because yesterday we were mentioning that we have a small resistance, very thin, and we broke it, and now the next target is 76,000. We are checking here the website, the web app of Transcend Money, transcend.money. You can check it if you're going down below in the description of the video. You will have here the, not in this one, but in the next one, I will add the website, okay? And also you have other links that you can check. Okay, let's go for it because today I'm warming up with this video. Let's connect the TradingView, and I didn't inform the community, but I think, yeah, we're gonna do very fast. Just we are gonna do today in the Telegram group. Here is the live video of today. Fantastic. This is the Spanish group, but I think we are okay. So then let's go for it because this potential pattern that some people is talking, that will bring us, let's see, because here we have the head and shoulders. This will be something like, and then we're gonna check the RSI, not 73 instead of the 76 that we can see in the order book. Let me see again. We are good, yes. And now we have a new thing in the in the website of Transcend Money is that we have up to 30 top 30 trade limit orders, okay? So you can organize by distance to the price in percentage, USDT, quantity of the coin, etc., right? So you can choose here how many you want. Fantastic. So let's go to analyze because now we have a strong support. This is gonna be interesting. The target is 76,000 now. So I'm gonna adjust a little bit the lines because right now seems yesterday I extend too much the lines. So let me correct here. And you know that we basically going long in Bitcoin. So now the trades, especially the Solana one, is quite powerful, 500%, $9,000, and the Bitcoin one, the long, 300%, $10,000. And now we will check which will be the next strategies. So these were all our buying zones in case the price correct. Didn't just jump up, but happy for us, we are in crypto, so you can go as far as you want. 100k, okay, no problem, especially for Solana that seems is warming up also. And we've seen that the Standard & Poor's and Nasdaq, they are going up again. Yeah, and Solana is probably gonna break the all-time high, the recent high that was 210 around. So that's pretty nice, and soon we'll start the bull run and will be beautiful and madness, because I think this bull run is gonna be the bull run, the last one, the big one, the one that is gonna change our lives. So we keep seeing the two possibilities, right? The bullish and the bearish, and in case the price is going down, so my strategy, which one is it? To buy cheap Bitcoins. Okay, so next, let's do the 76, okay? You know that we're working in the website to have the chart here with all the supports and resistance, but still we don't have that. Hopefully, as I say you every day, basically, this week we're gonna have the first version. And here we have, not bad, we have 378 Bitcoins waiting for the price to arrive to 76. So 3 pixels I think is gonna be okay. And then we don't have any other order limit in future in Binance futures. So this is gonna be for me the main target, the main resistance. If you see here, we draw a very small line yesterday because the quantity was small, and yeah, practically didn't make any resistance, just a little bit. If you go into 1 minute, had a little bit of rejection, but very small. And but this 176 is more powerful, so I think this 76 at 9.5% from now, from the current price, I think it's gonna be more stronger. So let's see if we can break it or not. But the most probable for me is gonna be a correction, and we're gonna study which options we have there, which strategies we can follow, right? I'm gonna check the chat because you never know. You see, there are some people in the chat. Unbelievable. Hello, Furia. Hello, Ruben. Thank you very much to participate in the English group. Okay, so happiness, obviously, and then we're going to check the supports, right? In case we have correction, where we can have a nice buying points, right? So 61,200 is gonna be this point again, and it's 700 bitcoins. So still a possibility, this area that we were mentioning yesterday in the Spanish community. So I'm gonna still keep in my orders in that point that I have basically in Bitcoin. I have, let's see, well, while it's loading, today I have a little bit in slow internet. Maybe it's because the order book today is going crazy. Look, the speed is unbelievable. So beautiful that volume started to come in. We were saying yesterday we have to pay attention to the volume. And I'm not sure, but I think the first spam was, I don't know if it was Europe or Asia, but seems now US is pushing hard, really hard, the price. But at some point, I think we're going to have a small correction because it's going very hot in 1 hour in the RSI. But yeah, this can go insane. This can go insane. Let's see what do we have in the next hours. So 61,200. 690 bitcoins for $442 million and a minus 11% drop. And then we have the 60,000 that is gonna be 300. Wow. So suddenly the volume is dropping hard. So in fact, this one I'm gonna put 4 pixels, and this one I'm gonna go for 3 is kind of okay because it's 300 bitcoins, and we're gonna go for the next ones. So seems the strong one is 61,200, but there is not so much money like yesterday. We can see there. So the prices are, look, they are loading for the resistance now. In 69,500 we are 178 bitcoins, not yet 200. That is what I used to like to consider like considerable resistance, but today seems is wow, you see is going high with the price instantly. So let's see, the money start to go up. I mean to follow the price, right? Okay, so 60,000 and then 60,300. So it's gonna be all this region, and this one I'm gonna start to do 2 pixels, and then we have 62,281, but you can see that it start to be more thin. 62 more thin means less money. 281, 61, 249 bitcoins, 15 millions. 61, I say it's 51, yes. So 61 is like very strong support. Not very strong, quite strong, like 40, almost $50 million. And then 62,500, so it's all this region where is the in my opinion, the buying area. 62,500, thinner, less bitcoins, okay. And then we have 50,000 still, the 50,000. Look, I extended so long yesterday that even arrived today, but no, we want to put the 50,000 that is a little bit lower than yesterday. No, it's the same. I think it was the same, but just I draw the line a little bit with a drift, and that's it. So we have mainly this region of 60,000, and then the 76 today. So quite powerful. So let's go for, yeah, so I have 61,200 still. 61,200 and 59. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that ones. And if you don't have yet the Mexc account, you know that in the description down below you will have the link for the Mexc, okay. And you don't have KYC, and it's $10,000 in rewards. Okay, so yeah, we start to have a little bit of correction, but let's see if can keep pushing to the 76. Do we have some news? Bitcoin Reserve could soften BTC price retracement before the halving. Let's see. Jim Cramer now is big fan of Bitcoin. Is that bad news? Okay, so that we have that for the Bitcoin price. Let me check. Yes, we have at 52,200 Bitcoins, but it's like if you organize by USDT, then it's a little bit lower. So you can consider to go for the 52 or not. So this will be my strategy for Bitcoin, basically buy in this area. And the 76 is going to be interesting because now it's not very strong, but it depends how much money they put now in the 76. Maybe it's a little bit to consider to do something. I don't know, a small short or sell a little bit of Bitcoin to painful. I don't think so, but something like that, or waiting just for a small correction there, right? Okay, so next, let's go for Ethereum. Let's see how is the chart. Still maybe Furia and Ruben here. I don't know. Or maybe they are shocked. It's like, oh, it's in English today. Yes, Monday is in English. Okay, so we want to duplicate this one and then wait a second. Let me check. I think the audio is good, right? So let's go for the Ethereum price and Solana. So I'm gonna open two tabs. Here one, here two, and then we're going for Ethereum, and then here we go for Solana, and then we're gonna open here the main one because I want to see the volume if it's starting rise. Yes. So we have Bitcoin, the first one rising, 21 million, 7 billion for Ethereum, and 3.9 for Solana, with 4, 3, and 2 million trades in the last 24 hours. So the volume start to come right now. We're gonna organize like this way, and we gonna wait a little bit for the price of Ethereum to load up. Yesterday we drew this line, this one resistance, and we had a small correction and then tried to break up this resistance and finally could, right? But because they were very thin, so they affect the price, but short term. So when we do 4 pixels, in this case more than 2000 Ethereums, then it's more powerful, right? The resistance. And let's see today, because we don't have resistance yet for Ethereum, and supports, yes, we have one. So we want to wait to load a little bit more limit orders. Right now there are like 70,000 limit orders loaded. And what else do we have? This one, we want to move to the price, and then you know that we want to do this in the website, but we're going to need some more days to do it automatically. And then when we had the lines, we'll start to design the automatic trading to test the strategies, and then the strategies will go directly to the exchange. So let's go for it. The first one right now is 31 150 for Ethereum after 100k loaded limit orders, and we have already resistance at 37 Ethereum, 3700, and that will be 4.4% higher price than now. Let's go for the 3700. That will be something like here. Not so much compared with Bitcoin, right? And this one is 2500, so I'm gonna go, yeah, 2 pixels is gonna be okay, and we're gonna draw red. So for Ethereum, it's gonna be the same strategy, just basically buying if the price has a correction. And so we're gonna keep right now the 3700. And then we're gonna go for the supports. Very thin supports in Ethereum. This is quite shocking. Much thinner than in Bitcoin. It's just 2,200. Ethereum's at 31.50. So around this area like yesterday. But it's thin. It's thin. It's not very big support. Strong, I mean. Vale. I'm gonna make a little bit shorter. Yes, here we go. So that will be the first buying price, the stronger one, at 11% down the current price. And then we have the 31. The 31 is gonna be also 2000. So now, wow, it's super weird. It's super weird. How is the order book right now in Ethereum? What the hell is going on? Let's see the Solana if it's similar or not. Yeah, it's even thinner after almost 200,000 updates in the order book. Whoa, this is weird. So that means there is a lot of uncertainty right now. But the 199 for Solana is loading. Okay, so for Ethereum, let's see if we have some change. If not, I will start with the strategy. Yes, we have some changes now. After 250,000 updates. So now the money is going to the resistance. This is interesting. So we have the first one, 3640. That is going to be closer to the price, 3640. So this is bullish because the money, there's money waiting for the money waiting for crypto to go higher. 3000 Ethereums. Then look, the 37, we have 3710, 3770. So probably they want to stop the price there. 3710. Yes, there we go. And then 3770. Here we go. Good. And yeah, that's it. I mean, it's not big volume. We can consider this maybe 3 pixels because it's 3000 Ethereums, but something like that, yeah. Okay. After 370,000 updates, right? So not so much. And weird. So maybe, yeah, we're gonna go for the 76,000 for Bitcoin. Now the 69,500 is loaded with 200, so we're gonna have a small stop there. It's close to the price now. It's like 0.4%. So for that reason, we have a pause. Maybe it's in the 69,500. Yeah, very close to the price right now. This is small. We're gonna put 1 pixel because it's 213 bitcoins. Okay, great. So the strategy for Ethereum, my strategy right now, we have a lot of 31. Let me see. This is Ethereum again. And we have a lot of 31, 3150 and 3020. This is new. 3020 with 2000 we have more. They are moving around. So the market now is very hot. If you have the chance, if you are not going to sleep like me, you can just check the website transcend.money and just check for the updates, because I think the next hours is gonna be quite shaky. The market, the volatility is gonna be high, so it's opportunities to make money. And so basically I'm gonna add the 30,000 right now, because we have these two orders, 29.70 and 30.20. 30.20 is gonna be around here. So why is changing the order book? Because the sentiment of the market is changing, right? So this is a representation of what the market now is thinking, feeling, more than thinking, feeling, I believe, will be more precise to say. So we have basically 31.50, 31.100 and 30,000 around. So right now I have 32.50, 31 and 30. Okay, so the 32.50 I'm gonna change this order, and I'm gonna make it 31.50. Okay, 31.50, 51. Okay, go for it. And this is gonna be my positions in Ethereum, and here we can see in the chart right now. So the first drop will be 11% from now. So this is a small rotation of money, slow rotation of money, because they are, we're waiting for the price to drop a lot, right? For Solana, fantastic. I'm very happy if we break 200. Interesting that before yesterday we have this resistance, and today respect the resistance, try 2 times. And let's see today, what do we have in Solana? In Solana we have, we don't have resistance, so basically the price can skyrocket, and the support is just 470. Wow, like yesterday. So I'm gonna keep it, this 170. But which is the 70? No, let me correct. I'm gonna put just one, because then it's gonna be more precise for tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll do the video in English, in Spanish. I'm sorry, 170. Here, there we go. Fantastic. And this is gonna be 31,000, so we can put 3 pixels, right? So 170 could be a good target. But the issue I have is that I have a very good entry in Solana with, let's see, with, I think was 100, lower 100, $128 for Solana is my average price entrance. And 170 is like 11% down, so I'm not so excited. I could put $200 maybe, but I have 500% profits now, so maybe I should raise the stop loss, right? Where I have the stop loss now with warranty profits, I have very low TradingView, very low warranty profits, stop loss, positive stop loss, let's say. I think it's gonna be easy in English, right? If we went from here to here, it's 50%. I could, because here is 100, right? No, 145. Yeah, it's not bad. So I'm gonna keep it like this, because I think the price is gonna keep going higher. I'm gonna keep it like this with all these entry points. Well, I think it's okay. Hello everyone, hello Kairos. So we're doing the English channel, but with Spanish people. That's funny. Until we don't grow the channel, I guess it's gonna be like this. Yes, I can hear you well. English is not a problem for me. I think it's a good idea to change. Okay, thank you very much, Ruben. You always give me good energy. So yeah, I think we're gonna stop here. If you don't have any questions or you want to comment something, now that we are a small group, so We can have more personal chat if you want. If you don't want, it's okay, and we'll check tomorrow in the English channel. So if you see, today we have this, like we have up to 30 limit orders, because I'm expanding a little bit because I'm planning to do micro scalping. If you change here at the minimum, you can see that we are like 0.6%, 0.9. So maybe I'm gonna put up to 100 to go closer to the price, and then we can do micro scalping also with all these the biggest limit orders. These are the 30 biggest limit orders since we opened this website. But as you can imagine, if we get closer to the price, they are faster, right? And now it's organized for how close is to the price. It's gonna be interesting, you will see. I hope the chart is coming soon. And don't forget, if you want to go to the pro group, you have here the link to to participate in the pro group. Okay, so I think we're gonna finish the video here. Anyway. Yeah, thank you very much, Kairos. We're gonna finish the video. Thank you very much. Have a very good luck with your trades, and I wish you fortune, wealth, and love, and see you in the next video.